The musical genre is unmatched when it comes to pure escapism. The lavish musical numbers, dazzling set pieces, beautiful costumes and all the colors, and no film embodies this more than Singing in the Rain. Gene Kelly and Stanley Donen do a magnificent job at taking all these elements of a musical and putting a satirical spin on Hollywood's transition into the sound era. This film appeals to such a wide audience because it's a behind-the-scenes look at the nostalgic era of the golden age of Hollywood. And we get larger-than-life characters. Take Donald O'Connor's brilliant musical number, Make 'Em Laugh. His physical comedy is jaw-dropping. You can't take your eyes off him. And Gene Kelly's mesmerizing performance in Singing in the Rain is unforgettable. The energy he brought to that, and to think during the filming he had a 103-degree temperature. That is dedication. Also, fun fact, to create the rain in that scene, which was filmed on the lot, they used a mixture of water and milk so the raindrops showed up better on camera. And to round out the top of the call sheet, Debbie Reynolds. She brought it. Although not a professional dancer like Gene Kelly and Donald O'Connor, she did her own dancing, which built up the chemistry between these three. And one of my favorite things about this genre, musicals can take themes to the next level, make them larger than life. Like in this one, love, ambition, and the power of movie making. We're enamored as an audience to see it on stage in full Technicolor. Are you ready to immerse yourself in musicals so you can be inspired to put your personal, unique stamp on this genre? Check out West Side Story, a musical retelling of Romeo and Juliet directed by Robert Wise and Jerome Robbins. By the way, Robert Wise also directed the classic Sound of Music and the immortal Wizard of Oz directed by Victor Fleming. You gotta watch the electrifying duo of John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John in Randall Kleisner's Grease, Robert Stevenson's Mary Poppins, and Damien Chazelle's La La Land, where Emma Stone and Ryan Gosling light up the screen. Now there's a lineup of iconic musicals just to get you started. If you've got a favorite musical, leave it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and remember, I love you.